Go ahead.
Contact. Come on, ooh.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You all got a long way to go. Keep going. Just take your time.
Do that again. All right. Push out. Anytime you feel that contact breaking, just go on. Just do the palm.
Let's do the one hit and then you hit, I hit.
Oh,
You
freeze
complete
frame?
complete the hit freeze frame
Okay, freeze
before you block.
Okay, ready?
And then now you block, and then you hit, now you block, now you hit, now you block. Bong Zao.
I actually,
Lock,
he's
bong,
got me
song,
good.
lock,
I'll
bong.
have to use actually a BG movement if I wanted to get out of
Bugie?
this.
Bugie?
Yeah,
Elbow.
emergency tactics. Yeah, because he had me.
Keep going,
fucked.
keep going. Quarter way there. 25% down. You got 75% more to go. Just keep working, guys. Punch, block, 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 punch. All right, reset Chisao. Tom Fook, Chisao.
Yeah,
Looking like Fook over there on Will.
Yes, that's
yeah, he's got.
double
I've
outside.
got double tongue. He's got double foot.
Yep, Fook from Will. Ton with Ben. So Ben's gonna be a little more aggressive. Will has to keep his Fook's forward momentum to be offensive with them. Defensive and offensive in the same motions. Chisao, reset.
That was crap.
We got a Fook bong. Punch, punch. Inside whipping punch, punch. Inside whipping punch. Qigern. Reset.
One hurt. Sidekick.
Reset Chisao. Show me
It's
Qigert.
like this.
Qigert?
Yeah, it's in the wooden dummy. Move
Okay.
it down.
All right, go. All right, we got Fook Tan. Bong. Block punch. Ton block. Reset, 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 reset.
Oh, Will's always hit me in the nose.
I mean, it's open.
Oh,
It's the shortest distance he had.
Go ahead from there again, 'cause I'll show you what I have.
His elbow sent his energy downward. They're perfect. And then counter, and then on the floor, and then Will just chain punches him on the floor. Fucking done for. All right. What is that? Fook? Wrong Fook? All right. Reset. Chisao. Fook. Fook. Ton. Bong. Ton. Fook. Oh, we're halfway there, guys. Keep going.
Well, I knew I was fucked as soon as.
All right, reset. There you go. Okay, remember, punch, block, punch, block, punch, block, punch, block, punch, block. Perfect. Closer, get closer. Stop losing contact. All right, now we got Bill on left, Will on left, Ben on right.
Damn, cup jar.
Cup jarn with the elbow. Okay, reset, Chisao. Attack with Ton. Ooh. That was a Fook slap in the face.
That's crane wing.
Crane wing.
Lower intensity.
Chisao. Now punch, block, block, punch, block, punch. Perfect. All right, reset, Chisao. 2 more minutes, guys. You got this. Punch, block. All right, reset. Good. That's Ton, Pak, Lop, Bong. Show them the drill that you're teaching me. You guys do it. Ben, you block with one hand, all right? Last minute here. Let's do this drill.
One dragon, 2 tigers.
All right, reset and then hold. Ben, one hand, do the Ton, Pak, Lop, Bong, and you punch. One hand, Ben.
What am I doing?
One hand.
What? One hand.
Oh, okay.
Bong, lock.
Okay. Ton, pop, bong, lock.
Oh, no. Lock bong. Sorry.
Lop, Bong, yeah.
Okay.
Ton, Pak, Lop, Bong.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Ton, pop, lock, bong.
All right, one more minute of that.
Keep going.
This is what I'm working on right here. Look how fast they're able to do this. Like if they did it this fast with me, I would get hit. Because I wouldn't be, that punch right there, I wouldn't be able to block that. He would hit me with it automatically. He wouldn't even mean to. It would just be an automatic hit. 30 seconds, guys. You got this. Perfect. Ben is using one hand and he is punching a chain, he is defending against a chain of punches from both hands on Will. He's using a variety of moves. That's all Ton right there. And then there's no Fook, Bong, Ton. There's no pop. Let me see some pop. There's some pop. There's some pop. There's some pop. Pop, pop. One-handed pop. Both hands. You got it, guys. This is it. Perfect, 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 perfect. You guys can stop anytime. All right, perfect.